Hi, my name is Karen Chalmers. I am a financial analyst with the Entrepreneurial Accelerator Program. It is very important for small businesses to be able to leverage technology because it can help improve sophistication and efficiency in how you create your products as well as how you deliver them to your customers. Integrating some form of technology into your business can help save you money. You can also be more efficient on time.
My name is Michael Billings. I'm the CEO of Cotton Street Farms. Cotton Street Farms is an indoor hydroponic farm in downtown Shreveport. We're growing leafy greens, herbs, microgreens year-round. Because I'm still a small company, we don't have a big budget. So we're able to do an enormous amount of tasks from marketing, accounting, farm technology, keeping track of our inventory, managing our customers, and all of this is done through modern applications, technologies, hardware, and software. We are very dependent on technology. Our controllers help monitor our nutrient levels, our pumps, our lights. It helps monitor our environment. With our technology, we're able to reduce our labor and increase plant growth by a lot. We're growing plants in only 6 weeks. The plants are being fed and watered multiple times throughout the day. The nutrients are all being monitored all through our computer automation. It takes a team of 5 or 6 to do what I'm doing by myself or with the help of 1 or 2 others.
So Michael Billings is a multi-generational farmer. He came from the traditional way of farming and he saw a great way how to use hydroponic farming to make it an all year round business.
My experience with the EAP has been incredible. I've gone out and found the technology to build this farm, but the EAP is providing me the traditional knowledge and wisdom to put everything together and make a working business model. Not only have they counseled me, but they've offered me and provided me numerous references and resources, investors, accounting. They've been a silent partner that I couldn't have gone on without.
Over 240 startups have received services, $74 million in capital has been raised, and over 60 startups have been launched in North Louisiana with the help of EAP. If you are an entrepreneur, a startup, a small business, and you're looking to scale or grow your business, apply now to the Entrepreneurial Accelerator Program at eapla.com.